How to find your Binance TRC-20 wallet address. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Binance account. Tap on Assets here in the bottom right corner. Press on Spot. Add funds. From here, we will choose this first option, On-Chain Deposit. Search that coin for which you want to get address, like I'm searching for USDT. Tap on it. Now there are multiple networks to choose, but we want to choose TRC-20, so we will click on this first option. Take a screenshot of it or just copy deposit address from here. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.